just stay here. You might not like me. No? Is that Rio down there, the dark black? Oh, Pike?
I have a few other horses, just they're pinned up and stuff like that. And yeah.
Hey, Sadie. Sadie's our dog.
By the way,
Wait, what happened to all your kittens? Did you sell them? Our kittens? They did? Oh, yeah. That was the worst day of my life.
so it's Stray Paw. We have
That's Rio.
Stray Paw, Maximo, and
Maximo?
yeah, and Ronaldo, but we call him Ray for sure.
Boy, how you doing?
Such a good horse. And let's meet Ashley,
And
horse lover.
Krissa, yeah, I love horses.
I love horses.
Do you think we could ride horses while I'm here?
I think so.
Oh, hey Rio, hey boy.
Because we're going off to college in a few days.
Yeah, here.
Like, we're going off to college tomorrow, so I bet you can. Come here.
Wait, who's this?
Buddy. Ooh. I know you always think my...
Who's this dark brown one, Emma?
This is Gummy.
Hey boy.
Look, you.
No, you can't eat any of me.
No horses.
Oh, you scared him, Emma. Yeah, see, Rio follows us everywhere. Huh, Rio? And so does Sadie, the dog. Yeah, where are our other horses? Where are the other horses? Come here. Like where?
So we have like more than 10 horses.
Yeah.
There's like so much. But we can't get to all of them today. I'm sorry.
Yeah, so, and we are at our favorite tree. We cut ahead into the video because it took like over 5 minutes.
And
So we made a swing, and today's our last day before we go off to college.
it's so boring.
I know, we have to learn instead of being with horses. Anyway,
Whatever.
so this is our favorite trees.
Pine tree.
Yeah.
So, you see, we're not in our hiking boots or anything to climb trees like most people.
Yeah.
We just, let's see, how do we go? We can just climb the trees.
We like climbing trees freestyle.
Yeah. We can even climb trees in bathing suits.
Yeah, but that would be like really cold unless it was really hot.
Yeah. It's so good if it's hot.
Yeah, see, this is where some of the horses used to be chained up, but they got free.
There are other horses. There's our other, we have like more than 20 horses on the street. So, you can probably see why some are chained up. And most people are like, let the horses free, but it actually helps them to be chained up.
Yeah, they learn not to do stuff.
Yeah.
So, since we showed you our tree, we're going back to the horse that we showed you, Rio.
We just want you to only see 3 because,
Yeah, because the rest are wild. We haven't trained them yet.
yeah, some of them are trained, but they're
Okay, we're going to cut ahead into the video till we're at Rio. Okay. Taking some, yeah, almost Rio, so we figured might as well not keep you waiting. See, probably can't,
Are you okay?
yeah, see him because of the light, but yeah, it's getting close to evening. Rio, come here, boy.
Bye-bye.
See, now you might be able to see him. It's closer, but
We would show you all of our animals, just
they're way too many to count.
yeah.
All of our cats.